Hi, everyone.
So yesterday we filmed a video in which we did record the sound with the challenge, or with the specific
Everything is a challenge!
We recorded a video yesterday, but we didn't record sound on purpose, and the point is we're going to be our own Foley artists. What is Foley, James, you just asked? Let me answer that question.
What's Foley, Chris?
Let me answer that question, James. What that means is
What's Foley, Chris?
we're gonna shut up.
Chris, what is Foley?
What that means is that we are gonna do all of our own sound effects, all of our own voiceovers. Everything you hear is gonna be done in post-production right now. Isn't that?
That's great.
So I think that we're just gonna do it, and we're gonna try our best to create all of the noises for our video.
In 60 FPS!
That was like a. I didn't even do the full extend. I was afraid I was gonna hit you in the face there with my dab.
Just hit me if that's how it, if it comes down to a good dab, proper dab form, or not hitting me in the face, always go for the dab.
I know. I had an internal struggle there. I was like, do I hit James or do I do the full dab? Oh damn.
Let's hit it!
Let's hit it! Wow, James, isn't it such a nice day? And this is what I love to do when I'm just sitting there, so holding a book. Bam. All right, cool. That's my feet. That, James, is how you swallow water, not how you swallow water. That's how you swallow water wrong.
Yeah. Well, that's click. Ridiculous. Click. But that click.
That's what you need to know about doing YouTube videos. Is that you gotta do it.
Yeah, well, I think
and this is the duct tape that is used for waxing one's bodies. Let me demonstrate to you, James. You slap your nips afterwards and you yank them off. You don't see me yank them off.
Ping, wow, it's really ping, ping to talk about your ping pong ball. Now that's the big deal of fucking, you know what I'm saying, it's Sylvester Stallone.
And then, James is a really fast.
Very difficult to talk. What I didn't get to talk about. What are you supposed to do?
And this is how you pick your knife with your feet and you slap yourself with a knife. You point at your friend because this is not a threatening thing. And this is a very heavy weight that I'm having trouble picking up. Let me give it to you, James. Pathetic. Oh shit.
That's artistry in a nutshell.
That is art, folks. Alright, we got it.
Thumbs up for art.
Alright, that, boys and girls, is how Hollywood made Transformers. Michael Bay.
That's how you got Toy Story 2. That's how you got Citizen Kane. That's how you got many classics of silent film by the early works of the Lumiere brothers. Everything, you know.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like.